Yes, people, this is your girl Aleisha Lee and welcome back to another episode of Motivational Lee. On this episode, we look at Law 45, preach the need for change, but never reform too much at once. But before we get into that, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you are kept up to date each and every time I upload. And without further ado, let's get into this. This law states that everyone understands the need to change, but on the day-to-day level, people are creatures of habit. It's very easy for us to say, yes, we're going to do these changes. And like we're going to see with the new year, so many people make resolutions, including myself. You make a resolution, you're like, yeah, I'm going to go for it. And then when the year starts, you're really going for it. It's going well. And then towards the end, it kind of just starts trailing off before the month has even finished. That's because humans are creatures of habit. Too much change at one time can be quite traumatic for humans, and humans, we're quite set in our ways. We get used to something and it's very easy for us to become complacent, even if that thing isn't the best for us. Because we are creatures of habit, we become used to that situation. You find ways to deal with it and just to carry on, even if that situation isn't the best for you. The way that this law would be applied would be to preach the need for change, but still making sure that old traditions are safeguarded at the same time. So it may be that you're using new things and new innovations, but you're doing it in a more traditional way. And that would be the way that you are preaching the need, but not changing dramatically at one time. You're still making sure you're maintaining that level of tradition, although you are preaching the need for things to be different and for things to change. That is the way that law would be applied. Now, the thing is that people do fear change, but if you're able to tap into that, but also state there's ways in which change will be better, but also maintaining that level of having things in place that are done routinely and that are done in a certain way, you would be able to still hold that power, because you are showing that change is necessary, but you're still having that restraint of making sure that it's done in a particular way. In a nutshell, those that finish revolutions are really those who start it. And the way to succeed in it is to use appearances to show that you are needing change, but it's built upon things that have been successful in the past, where you've got that track record to show that it's been successful. You're doing it in a different way. But yes, people, that was Law 45. Preach the need for change, but never reform too much at once. Take your time with the changes, but you let people know that things do need to happen, and that is the way you use that law. In the next video, we will be looking at Law 46, never appear too perfect. Make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you are kept up to date each and every time I upload. And yeah, I will catch you in the next video. Don't know, boy.
People don't know.